Alright friends, I asked and I get to tour one of the Lion King suites and I'm so excited to share it with you. I've never seen a suite. I've booked this room several times and haven't had the opportunity yet to check it out. So let's go and check out a suite. Yeah, he's right over here on the first floor. Let's go. What is inside? I did not realize it was inside.
What?
I did not realize it was inside.
There's one on that side too.
So is a pull down bed like Pop?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
But these
This is really cute.
These came, no, Pop was a rehab. They just finished his last year. Yes. They finished his last year and they took our design. Because when we built this, this is what we did.
This is brilliant.
This is great.
It's a real bed.
It's a full mattress. This is no cheap mattress on here.
Yeah.
So you got the full mattress. You've got the sofa mattress in here. You have the bathroom in here. Oops, let me just show turn on the lights.
Wow.
You know, the toilet all by itself.
Awesome.
You know, so you're able to utilize this here as well. This is a little part when you open it.
Yeah.
You know, so I tell people, I said, I don't mind it. You know, so then you have this one opens up. What's nice is you got yourself a little kitchenette. You got a coffee maker, the microwave. You've got the sink and also a nice refrigerator inside here. These will go into just go with refrigerators, and they're considered coolers.
Okay.
They're not refrigerators. They keep things cool. I don't know why we don't just put in heavy-duty refrigerators. What do you say? And inside here.
They didn't consult you, did they?
No, what it is, what it is. Right, and here you also have a safe in the room as well, and then you also have your master bathroom.
Right. Oh, that's nice.
There's a
This
second
I
bathroom.
love. Look at that background on this.
Oh,
Oh my gosh.
that's awesome.
Beautiful.
Isn't that nice?
Yeah.